Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows 11 computer freezing and become unresponsive when ideal. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first method is that right click and open a type a Control Shift Escape and open a task manager. After doing this step, go to your startup menu and after doing this step, disable unwanted apps. So in my cases, all is disabled. So disable if any running are unwanted apps. Close it. The second method is that in the search box type advanced system settings. Open our advanced system settings. Click on settings in performance tab. Click on adjust for better performance. Click on apply and OK button. Click OK. After doing this step, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a third method. The third method is that in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click run as administrator. After opening that, type a command is chk dsk space c colon space slash f space slash x space slash r and press enter. After doing this step, check the next time system restart. Type y. After that, type exit command prompt. Restart your computer. When you open a restart computer, it takes up a few minutes to complete the process, and after completing that your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a fourth method. The fourth method is that in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click run as administrative privileges. After that, type a sfc space slash scan now and press enter. After completing that, type a command is dism space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash restore health and press enter. After completing that, type a exit and exit the command prompt and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.